Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to stitch a design on the trouser left sideways. So this is the design that we are going to stitch. So we have folded this. Let me measure it for you to see, or let me show you exactly how I did it. So the actual width is 1.5 inches right here, and so we folded some parts here like a quarter or ½ inch right here, and folded some ½ inch right here to make it almost 1 inch, almost 1 inch right here. So the width length after folding each side, the left and right side, is going to be almost 1 inch. It's not gonna get up to 1 inch. So we have folded it all straight to the down part, because we are putting it on where the trouser left sideways to the down part. That means from the waist to the trouser length, that is the length 31 inches. So we are make this one to length of 31 inches. So that is how we folded it straight to the down part. So we are going to show you how to sew it. And so to first sew it, we are going to start sewing it on this part. We are going to put it on this part. We are going to start sewing it on this part. So we have folded this part to make it go this way. We have folded this part that we stitched. It was straight and it was open, so we have folded it to make it go this way. After stitching this one too, we gotta stitch this part too. So we gotta fold it to make it go this part. So we are stitching this part, so we have to make it go this side, right, to go to the left side. So we are going to start stitching it. So please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how to stitch it. So we are going to start stitching it. So guys, we are putting it on it. We are putting it on it like this. So guys, we are putting it on it like this from the waist. So we are going to stitch it from the top to the down part, as we have folded this part to make it go this side. So we are going to stitch it, we are going to arrange it and to stitch it from the top to the down part. So we are doing it right now. So guys, we are first stitching it on the left side, straight to the down part. So please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how I'm stitching it. So we are stitching it. So please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how I am stitching it. So we are stitching it straight from the top to the down part. So guys, from the top to the down part. So hope you are seeing it. We gotta first stitch the left side before we stitch the right side. So we are first stitching this part before we stitch the right side. So guys, we are first stitch the left side, and so you gotta cut the excess thread from it. So excess thread from it. So guys, you can see we have stitched the first part, that is the right. So it's left with the left, so it's left with the right. And so the right, we are going to fold this, we are going to put this one on the iron table and to iron it to make this part go this side, so that we're able to see the right part straight to the down part. So we are going to iron it to make it go this way. So let's go and iron it and come and show you the next part. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have folded this part to make it come onto the right part like this. So we are going to stitch the last part. So please watch attentively so that you're able to see exactly how we are doing it. So please watch it. We are sitting from the top to the down part, just like we always do, just like we did the first one. So we are adding the design on the trouser left sideways, trouser left sideways. So this has أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الذي يوسوس من الجن والناس. So please, whilst we are doing it, then I'm also reciting my favorite Qurans, because I'm a Muslim. I love Islam, and that's what I love. I love Islamic religion. So this is what I'm doing. So guys, cutting the excess thread from it. We are cutting the excess thread from it. So after cutting the excess thread, this is actually how we have add a design on the trouser left sideways. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, subscribe, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.